Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a very specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and your customer says, please call me back on the following number, 0906. So do you know what telecom provider that is? What is the prefix? Or which network offers that prefix? Do you know that? So maybe you don't and maybe you do, but if you don't, let me show you exactly how you can use CouponBet to find that answer very quickly. So first of all, once you're on CouponBet, you just log in and you go to the tools. And in the tools, we have what we call a prefix checker. So the provider prefix checker shows you all the telecom providers that you have. And in this case, the number is 0906, and there you are. This is a Globe provider. So this is the network from Globe. And this is really easy to search for any provider or any number that you have. So if you have the prefix, you can search for it quickly. 0910. You can see here smart. It shows you everything including the logo, so it's very easy to identify. And this is really done to help you organize your travel agency and to be faster of service to your customers. So if you like this tool and you want to organize your travel agency and have access to this tool, just go to couponbet.com and register right away for an account, and you have instant access to have your own account like this. So go to CouponBet and register now.